This is a 60-piece set of square plastic disposable plates by ANY Cutlery Kingdom, and look how beautiful they are. They almost resemble real china. You receive 30 of these smaller plates, which measure 6.5 inches in diameter. These are perfect for salad, appetizers, and desserts too. And you receive 30 of these dinner plates, and they measure 9.5 inches in diameter. And look how nice they are. They almost look like real china, but yet they're plastic too. And these are very heavy duty, so if you want to reuse them, you can time and time again. But if you don't feel like washing the dishes after your event, you can just throw or recycle them away. Simple as that. And these really are so beautiful. These are perfect for weddings, birthday parties, holiday parties, graduation parties, even family reunions too. I was sent this by ANY Cutlery Kingdom to evaluate, and I absolutely love them, and I cannot wait to use them at my next event. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.